This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Sublingual B12. First, ensure your mouth is clean and dry before placing the tablet. This helps maximize absorption. Sublingual B12 is designed to dissolve directly into your bloodstream through the tissues under your tongue, bypassing the digestive system. This method is often preferred for its efficiency. Make sure you have the correct dosage as prescribed or recommended. It's a simple process that can be very beneficial for maintaining your B12 levels effectively. Once your mouth is ready, carefully place the Sublingual B12 tablet directly under your tongue. It's important not to chew or swallow the tablet, as this would send it through your digestive system, reducing its intended sublingual absorption. Let it rest comfortably in that spot. The area under your tongue is rich in blood vessels, which allows for quick and efficient uptake of the vitamin. Just relax and let the tablet do its work naturally. For optimal absorption, allow the tablet to dissolve completely under your tongue. This process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the specific product. During this time, it's best to avoid eating, drinking, or even talking excessively, as these actions can interfere with the dissolution and absorption process. Just let the tablet slowly melt away. You might notice a slight taste, which is perfectly normal as the vitamin is released. Consistent use of Sublingual B12, as directed by your healthcare provider, is key to maintaining healthy vitamin B12 levels. Always consult your doctor to determine the personalized dosage that is right for your individual needs and health goals. They can provide guidance based on your specific situation. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Taking your B12 regularly can significantly contribute to your overall well-being and energy levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.